When a person is welding in the shielded metal arc welding process, you have to remember that the electrode is live at all times. It's electrically charged. To be safe, you need to be dry. If you're sweating profusely and your gloves become wet and you reach out and touch the electrode, you can get a nasty shock off of it. If it's strong enough, it can affect your heart. It can really cause a lot of damage to you. You need to be aware of that. Welding in the rain is definitely a no-no. You mustn't do that. You need to have dry gloves at all times, dry clothing, your boots need to stay dry. When you become wet, you become an excellent conductor of electricity. So by all means, cover in your work area. If you're outside and it's going to start rain, put up a tarp, put up some kind of covering, keep your gloves dry, etc. You can get a very, very hard shock off of welding machines. Some of the worst shocks come off of diesel or gasoline engine-driven DC portable welding machines. They can really knock you down. So please be careful.